Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the amazing support, and because of how consistent you've been, I decided to go in depth and try to show more of Liberia authentic culture, though I'm still trying to learn about my country's culture. But I just want to show some things about Liberia, how Liberians do things, and just help people understand more about Liberia. So today we're going to be doing coconut oil, how Liberians can fix coconut oil. Right now, my hands, my fingers, they're tired, they're sore because I've been grating coconut, as you're going to see after this intro. And my grandfather is helping me to do this video. He's really talented. So let's just get right into it. Trust me, today you're going to learn something new and important. This is the first step in fixing my grandfather's homemade coconut oil, the real cruel way. You know what I'm saying? After buying dry coconut, you're going to remove the coconut from the shell just the way he's doing, and then you're going to grate the coconut just like this. And you have to be careful before your hand gets sore. Yes, it happened to me. My fingers got sore, it was painful, but the results were lovely, right? But I'm just saying there are more ways you can do this without getting hurt like I did. So after that, we used wood instead of coal or stove. We use wood to, fix the coconut oil. And this is my pocket self trying to do something that I don't know how to do good, but I was there and I was trying my best with no strength. This is another crucial part. You have to know when you're making your homemade coconut oil the true way. So you have to put the coconut that you grounded in a tub or a big pan, depends on how many coconuts you actually took from in the shoot, and then you squeeze them the way my grandfather is doing. At this point, you actually feel coconut oil in your hands, which is a good sign that you're doing everything right. So you squeeze them, you put them in another pan, because you're not going to put everything in the pot when you're trying to get your coconut oil. Definitely not. You're going to squeeze them. You put the thicker ones in another bowl. Make sure you add a lot of water because you need to get a lot of oil. And in order to do that, you need to squeeze everything out of it. I had so much fun doing this. I didn't know that it could be this fun, but it really, really, really was fun. I mean, I had my family around, and I had my grandfather. He's like my favorite person. So it was just a wonderful experience for me. So yeah, this is what we got from sifting the coconut thoroughly, and this is what we got. So we just need to take the oil from the top of the pan. Now, one important reason why you should always sift and wash your things good, because there's a lot of sand, as you can see, and it's just going to spoil everything you work hard for. Now, this is the whole process. If we were making like a lot of oil, we were going to be doing it a different way, like in something bigger. But when you put the cook spoon deep in the pan, you're going to know that everything is just water, so you have to be careful. So this is how we made the fire. This is how we prepared everything to put the coconut oil on the fire. So this is my grandfather He's an amazing man. Oh my gosh, see how it looks right now. We're improving, right? Okay, this is exciting. So on the woods, it took 1 hour to actually boil to the end. So this was the process after the foaming and everything. We started seeing the oil. It was so light. We're all excited at this point. You can see the coconut oil, right? Yes, right there. Yeah, I'm just so excited about what is happening right now. I'm so excited to see the result, and God, this is so good. I can't believe officially another face coconut oil the crew way. A minute of the hour. So the last step, we empty the coconut oil in a iron bowl, and then we allow it to cool off, and then we empty it in a bottle. I brought mine home and I left some with my grandfather. So our coconut oil got burnt a little, but the process is legit. It was still an amazing experience, and I'm just so excited to be able to do a video like this. So we're done with the whole process, and it was really exciting. I'm so grateful that I got to learn this today, and it is really late here right now, so I'm on my way home, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. So leave your comments in the section below. Love you. Bye bye.